Linyi Million Heavy Industry Company Limited, established in 2011, is located at National Linyi Economic Development Zone, Linyi City, Shandong Province, China. It is a subsidiary corporation of Shandong Jinzhengyang Group, which covers alloy pipe and seamless steel tube production, oil and gas transmission equipment, R&D and production, urban real estate, municipal construction, mining development, and construction machine industry. With trademark Mattson, Linyi Million Heavy Industry Company Limited specializes in R&D, production of small construction machinery and related attachments. Compact utility mini skid steer loader, ML525, ML525L, ML25Y, ML525W, ML525X, ML526SLR, ML530, ML530Y, ML550, and ML550K series, with reliable quality had exported to America, Australia, New Zealand, West and North Europe, and South Africa, more than 50 countries or regions. Mattson skid steer loader with dozens of attachments are widely applied on demolition, roadwork, snow and debris removal, excavating, digging and trenching, grading and backfilling, loading, mowing, landscaping, agricultural work, and material handling. The self-made trencher, pallet forks, range of bucket, sweeper, snow shovel, auger drive, hydraulic hammer, hydraulic drum mixer, and other new practical accompanied attachments, more than 100 types greatly expand the use range of Mattson mini skid steer loaders. Mattson, as a world-class manufacturer and supplier, is leading China compact utility mini skid steer loader industry to a new time. Warmly welcome to visit our factory and look forward to your cooperation.